Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to be looking into how to convert our documents into PDF, then joining or combining our documents into PDF. So given that we have section A in Word, section B in Word, and let's say section C is in PowerPoint and section D is also in PowerPoint, which section C could also be a one-page document in Microsoft Word. For example purposes, I decided to ensure that I use section A and B in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to quickly go and open this document by double clicking it. All right. This being section A, there are many things that you need to consider. Your one-page document, not two-page. In the event that you need to narrow the margins, you can actually go and look into the layout and you say the margins should be narrow. Okay, you'll have adjusted the narrow margins, will have gone further deeper there. If you still also are having, let's say, issues while you are here on home and you select all your text, you can go and say here, remove line spacings after, and also they must be remove. When you have this, if you come back here, there will be no line spacing. So this can help you to ensure that your line spacing is on point. And then you can also double click right here on top. By double clicking, you can put in your student number, you can put in and you can put in tab. Let's say your student number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you press tab. You can actually write that it's portfolio. Section A. It's up to you. You can write whatever that you want to write here. You can probably put in the name Tendai. And then you close. So you are done with that. If you want to, at the bottom, it's up to you. You can either put somewhere in the middle, you can press tab and you say I want to put in document E4 or maybe page number, or you can go and say I want page number at the bottom of the page. So you can put in whatever that suits you best, something like this, then you close. So you will be done with your section A. You can save it. After saving it, you press file and you say save as. After pressing save as, you leave it as section A, but you change this option right here. So you can see it's saved inside the folder, and then you click on this, you say save it as PDF, then you say save. All right, when you're done with that, you can close this. You can see that you now have a PDF. If you double click this PDF, you'll be able to see your document that is an A. It's a one-page document that is an A that we completed. We'll do the same for B. When we've also amended and made sure that B looks proper with the margins and everything else, we'll also go and say save as. Change the format to PDF, then you say save. All right, we're done with A and B. Now we're going to, so we can see we've got A and we've got B. Now we've got C. We double click on C. With section C, we can use different designs. We can use either this one and we put in slides. We need to ensure that our slides do not exceed 8. So if we had 8 slides, this is what we would be seeing by the end. And we'll know that we'll have our title. It could be, this one could be section C. Okay, which is where you have your heading and everything else. You can also feel free to insert your header and footer. You could add date and time, and you can add the slide number. You could just put in there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you could put in Tendai section C. Then you can say apply to all. So you can see that there is that section that is out there. Then you can save it, and afterwards you convert it to PDF. So you save as. Come again to where you save as, you change this to say save as PDF, you say save. So you've converted this to, let's say also D was more or less the same situation. Okay, after it's chosen this, I can save it as the first one so that at least it may remain in the same colors that I want. I want to change it so that it may appear as D. I replaced it. Okay, now I'm going to convert it to PDF, so I can go and say save as PDF. All right, with all this being done, I can now close this. I need section A, B, C, D in PDF to be able to join them. So I'm gonna go straight away to the internet. There is a program which is called PDF Joiner. It's pdfjoiner.com. It's an online software or online program or an application that you can use to join without having to install any program on your computer. So after typing PDF Joiner, which is oneword.com, you press enter. What this program is going to ask you is to upload your files here. So you can upload all the files or you can drop them. So the easiest way for some of us is to click upload files. We can start by D, by C, then we come to B, then we end up taking that. We could actually do it this way. So we've got A, B, C, D. Now they have been uploaded, all of them. After they've been uploaded, we can click join files. So the app will do the joining backdoor. After that, it will say this is it. So now I can actually quickly go and say, all right, inside the portfolio folder, my student number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I say save it. That being the case, I'm done with this program that is called PDF Joiner. I go back to my folder. My folder is like this. This is the file that I'm supposed to submit. So I can open it to see that is it exactly what it's supposed to be. So I can see I've got 18 pages. So the first one is section A that was done for Tendai and this and that. I've got section B that was also done. It can actually appear Tendai with all other details. I also have section C, which comes in this format. It's one page. And section C up until here. And then we can continue up until we get to section D, where we used PowerPoint. We can also use Microsoft Word on the section D, meaning that your pages could probably be lesser than that. Do not have a problem. It's just a way of how to submit. All right. Now let's quickly go and see how do we submit our portfolio. While we are on this place where we see all our assignments for EUP, it is important to click on submit. And then right here, we have to browse to where we kept our portfolio. Then we click on browse. So I know exactly where I've kept. So I've selected my file. It is important that before you even go to submit, you are very much sure that you know of the PDF that you have to submit. You must make sure that your portfolio is absolutely where I just indicated. So it's an issue of making sure you locate your portfolio. If you submit a wrong thing, you'll get a 0. So here I know I'm precisely sure that this is where the portfolio is at. Then I can go and click on open. After that, it's a PDF. It will ask me what file format is it. I'll say it is a PDF. That's the only thing that they accept, PDF format right here. In which language is it? I'll also select it's in English. After that, I click continue. Then this is what it'll say. It's assessment number 10. It is already written what the file size is, and then I can say continue. So make sure that you keep record of this small little thing. You can either press Ctrl P. This is evidence that you saved it. So you can save it to PDF. Then you say OK. When you find it, you say evidence of submission. By that, you will be done with your portfolio. Then we wait for our results.